You spend a lot on TV advertising because it's still the best way to build a great brand. Imagine if you knew how people are really responding to the ads you produce and the programs you buy. TV ratings tell you what people watch, but no one has been able to tell you at scale what people say about what they watch, a true measure of how engaged they are with your advertising. Until now. Bluefin lets you see engagement as it happens through social media comments that are sparked by TV shows and ads. People have always talked about what they watch. Social media now lets their voices be heard well beyond the living room. Our technology sorts through all these comments, determines which ones are about TV shows and ads, and links the chatter to its source. What you get is a highly accurate view of how audiences are responding directly to your advertising and the content around it, like how a campaign performs better on certain shows and networks, or why people like some ads better than others. Deep audience learning for optimizing the performance of your online and offline media. Bluefin Labs, a new standard in audience response, and a new generation of consumer engagement.